On this video, I'm going to share with you my top 4 favorite free tools to find on-market properties for sale. I'm talking about distressed properties that you can wholesale for huge profits. On-market listings are properties for sale where the seller hired a real estate agent to sell his or her unwanted property. On-market, or what's often called agent outreach, is one of my favorite methods to find good deals for 2 primary reasons. One, it's free, which is a big deal, especially if you don't have a marketing budget. And 2, agents will continue to bring you deals ongoing over time. It's the gift that keeps giving. I have agents who I've now done dozens of deals with over the years. The problem is there are dozens and sometimes hundreds of listed properties for sale at any given time in any given market. So the key is to be able to quickly identify which listings are distressed and worth going after. With on-market, often speed to the deal is the name of the game. So let me show you my top 4 free favorite tools for finding on-market deals. And be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm also going to show you how to create an unfair competitive advantage with agents. But first, if you're new here, my name is Jerry Norton. With 20 years experience, I make millions of dollars a year wholesaling and flipping houses. And here on my YouTube channel, I show you how to do the same. So if you want to be a flipping genius like me and live your dream life, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. The first free tool is Redfin.com. Now, what I love about Redfin is it has a filter for distressed properties called Fixer Upper. Let me show you how to set up an automatic notifications every time a new Fixer Upper property comes available for sale. Now, if you haven't yet set up a free account, then search homes for sale in your market. For example, Clark County, Nevada. Next, click More Filters and check the filter for Fixer Upper. Now add any other filters you might want, and finally click Save Search and name it Clark County Fixer Uppers, and make sure you choose to get notified immediately when new properties come up for sale. Now I'll show you what to do with this list of Fixer Upper properties later, so keep watching. The next free tool is Zillow.com. Now Zillow is perhaps the most well-known and used website for finding properties for sale, but unfortunately Zillow doesn't have a Fixer Upper filter like Redfin, so you have to manually search using the keyword search feature. And don't worry, I created a comprehensive list of the most important keyword phrases for distressed properties, such as must sell, motivated seller, needs work, and so on. And I'll give you my Zillow keyword list for free. I'll put the download link in the description box below for you. Now, if you want to create saved searches on Zillow and get immediate notification with new listings, you'll need to follow a similar process as Redfin. Create a free account, search your market, add the keyword phrase, and then save the search. Unfortunately, Zillow won't let you save multiple keyword phrases at once, so you'll need to save a separate search for each keyword phrase. Okay, free tool number 3 is a software tool I created that's called Data Cruncher. Now, instead of looking for distressed keywords, Data Cruncher looks at the average sold price for homes in the area and then gives you a list of all of the active homes for sale that are below the average sold price per square foot. Those would technically be underpriced homes, indicating that the seller may be motivated to sell. Data Cruncher is a huge time saver because all you do is enter in a zip code and it instantly gives you a list of all of the underpriced homes. It even tells you how far underpriced they are, so you know which ones to go after first. And here's the cool part. Data Cruncher is absolutely free. Just go to mydatacruncher.com to set up a free account. The 4th free tool to find on-market properties for sale is PropWire. Now, PropWire is a revolutionary new data software with over 157 million distressed seller leads nationwide, including on-market data with property details, photos, and agent contact info. What's cool about on-market data on PropWire is you can search 3 different categories: motivated sellers, which is similar to Redfin's Fixer Upper filter; investor properties, which are keywords that target investment properties such as rentals; and a really cool search filter called creative financing. These are properties that are specifically being advertised where the seller is open to creative terms. Now with PropWire, you can also save your searches and get notified as soon as new listings come available. Now, one more thing about PropWire. PropWire is a data software, so even if you find an on-market property on Zillow, Redfin, or anywhere else, search the property inside PropWire to get info about the property. You get mortgage info, owner info, and even the listing agent, which is sometimes difficult to acquire on Redfin or Zillow. PropWire is my go-to software for all things data, and here's the best part. It's absolutely free to search and download as many leads as you want. That's right, no monthly subscription and no additional data upsells like all the other data providers. Now to do your first search, just go to joinpropwire.com. Using these 4 free tools, you really have no excuse not to find deals in your market right now. But let me show you how to create an unfair competitive advantage. Step 1 would be to search for distressed properties for sale using the free tools I outlined on this video. Once you find a rundown property, step 2 is to determine your offer price so you can make money wholesaling or flipping those deals. Now, if you don't know what price to offer, don't worry. I created an automated deal analyzer tool. Just enter a few details about the property and it will tell you exactly what price to offer so that you can wholesale it for a profit. Now, to get that for free, just go to mydealanalyzer.com. Step 3 is to go get the listing agent's contact info. Now, a simple way to do that is to go to PropWire.com, search the address, and pull up the listing info. It will give you that listing agent contact info right here. Now, step 4 is to follow my double dip technique to make an offer. This is where you call the listing agent and you tell him or her that you are unrepresented and interested in making an all-cash offer on their listing and that you will let them represent you as the buyer. That way they get both sides of the commission and are eager to work with you. Now, I actually created word-for-word scripts for talking to agents and overcoming objections, which you should know by now. I'll give it to you for free. Just go to agentofferscripts.com to get the free download. And since the property is on market, once you get a good deal accepted, the agent will use his or her state-approved contract, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you get a good deal, the next step is to find a cash buyer to wholesale your deal to, and that's where I come in. I flip properties all over the US and I'm always looking for good deals, and you can actually be a deal finder for me. For every deal you find that meets my criteria, I'll pay you $10,000. Now, if that sounds exciting, then watch this next video where you can learn all about the details. Watch that now, and I'll see you on the next video.